Oh yeah. Big old water heifer. I got it. I got it.
You got it?
Oh yeah. Bass time. Oh, he swallowed it. Holy cow, this is gonna be fun.
Need some line?
No.
Double hook and see up there. You need pliers? There's some in the side of my bag right there. If you open the front zipper.
This?
Yeah, but on the other side. I mean, those blue things.
Got one out. Now I can just do it with my hand. Try not to hook them again though.
Dude, I hate it when it gets in their eyeball, bro.
Yeah.
Just say it though.
Jeez. There we go. Not a bad one. Little 1 pounder. Backflip.
Backflip.
Yeah, he should be fine.
Hitting the rock here in a minute. Nope, it's not a forecast. Oh shit. What is going on with my rod?
I got a big old lily pad.
What the fuck just happened? What in the Butler Tugan?
Oh, you want a salad?
Dude, what the flip?
Oh.
Oh, there it goes.
No, no, no. You're right.
Oh shit.
Yeah, no, your thing's cooked.
I'm good.
There you go. You still got you got loose line.
Up,
you got loose line.
Loosey goosey.
You're gonna want to fix that. Just pull the line out until you get to that part. Dude, we are going so fast.
Holy Christmas. Jesus.
Oh, yep.
I do not got it.
Ah.
It come off on you?
Yeah.
Shit.
Just had a bite. Dude, we're about to fly into the
oh my god, you might have to save us.
Reel it all the way in. Just reel it in.
Oh, it's good now. You gotta fish it?
No.
You hoping for fishing?
I'm trolling it right now. Holy
Holy Christmas.
I think a popper would actually work better right now because of all the freaking grass. Oh, I just broke off.
And you whacked me an idiot.
Alright, well.
You might be right here. Most likely. Are we thinking of banger on this one, David?
Nah, I'm going pink popper.
Oh no, it's like going to cast.
Ah.
Anything that's cases?
Yep.
Dude, if this bug gets on me one more damn time, that might be low-key a smart idea. Keep them in the cases.
Yep. Kid scissors.
Kid scissors.
Trust me, they're fire.
Yeah. Where'd you get those from, like your dad or your mom?
The kid scissors?
Yeah.
No, I just found them. Probably took.
From a preschool?
Yep.
Wait, I forgot I had that.
What?
The frickin' these things.
Yep. Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Actually, I think I'm gonna keep this one tied on for a minute. I need to get some more micro bangers though.
You want me to ask John?
Who?
John.
Who's that?
John. We're going to get that.
Fuck, where is it?
It's
Keep
over
an
there.
eye on it. Dude, what happened to your knots here?
Oh.
I'm not gonna lie with you, I don't see jack.
Yeah, me neither. What was that? 2 casts, 2 lost lures? That's wild.
Yeah.
Get him in.
Fish on.
Oh, he's got a big one. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
buddy.
Oh, well, net him. Net him. Get him here. Get him here. Oh,
Hell
yeah. Oh, my God. I thought he just came off for a second.
Hell yeah, brother.
Yes, sir. Your luck with big bass.
It's immaculate, I guess.
Yeah. Barely had him.
Well, what's that?
There you go. Nice little
You
tip.
know my password, right?
I just had it opened. There. There you go. Oh yeah. Nice little. Probably one.
Weight or not?
1.5, 2. We'll give him at 2. And he's back. We are going 10 miles an hour towards the shore.
Holy crap.
Alright. Okay, 2 casts without losing the lure. That's good for me. You want?
No.
Got a new crankbait tied on.
Dude, that is unlucky.
What?
I literally go over a lily pad right as somebody, right as a little fish comes up and tries to bite it.
Huh.
Dude, how do I double hook the lily pad?
Fire. Dude, I don't even know where to cast where I wouldn't end up losing another lure.
I was just casting back there. You know, just do it fast and gotta do
See if I can get it in that
Gotta
gap.
do what Vector did. Speed and velocity.
I just watched 2 fish eat on the surface right in front of me. Yep, that's a fish. Oh, are you serious?
Came off?
Yeah.
How the hell does it come off with those big ass hooks?
I didn't actually get on it.
Oh.
I watched it. Like I said, yep, that's a fish, because I saw it go.
I thought I heard your thing going. That's
Yeah.
what I was like.
My reel?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was on it for a second. And then
You
came
just said
on.
it wasn't on it. Don't worry, David. I'm going.
Alright.
Yeah, it was better than I was back through the head.
That was the fish's fault.
My light flashed before my eyes on that one.
That was the fish's fault. You are up in a lily pad.
Yep. Nope, I was on some hot dog grass.
Swear to shit. Get out of there. No. Thank God. I can't take losing
I
another lure.
watched that.
Alright, maybe not. Alright, maybe not.
Are you stuck?
No.
Okay, good. I was wondering what you're saying maybe not about. Like,
You. Stop slamming the thing on the water.
no, I'm just getting the thing off.
Yeah.
When you said maybe not, I had it in my hand.
Wow. Look at how nice that looks in the water. Look at this, right? The green back, dude. Just imitates a little baby bass. Gotta get some oomph in that cast. I would be surprised if we didn't catch one here. Speak of the devil.
You got one?
I don't know. Maybe not. Probably not. No, I just have a gigantic weed.
Oh, I thought you like was on a big one, dude.
Alright, with the wind cast. Holy cow.
We gotta turn the sails.
Yeah. Another fish just bit on the top over there. This is like the deepest part right here, I think. It's like the...
Imagine how disappointing it is for a fish. You go up, you think you're getting a nice snack.
And then it's just hooked.
Some fat guy in a boat was just...
That's great. It's just some fat guy. Oh my god, you hooked that one. Dude, where are the... Are you on?
No, I'm on a pad.
I'm genuinely confused where the fish are.
Yeah, me too, dude.
Like this...
I don't even know what I was doing when I caught that big bass.
This crankbait is looking sexy and looking like a snack. And then there's just no fish in the deepest part.
I think even Ice Spice would probably go for your lure, dude.
Probably.